Hello, everyone. Welcome to our interior design tutorial on decorating with black slate appliances. Today, I'll show you how to make the most of these sleek and modern components to create a stunning kitchen. Let's get started. First, let's use the refrigerator as our focal point. It's essential to choose a contrasting color palette for your kitchen to make the black slate appliances pop. Consider light-colored cabinets and countertops to create a striking contrast. Inside the refrigerator, use the adjustable shelves to organize your groceries efficiently. You can even add stylish bins and containers for a more organized look. In the freezer, make use of the shelves and drawers to keep your frozen items organized. It's all about functionality and aesthetics. Now, let's move to the cooking area. The control panel is sleek and easy to clean. Coordinate your cookware and utensils to match the black slate theme. Consider displaying your favorite pots and pans on the cooktop for an artistic touch. For the oven, pay attention to the oven racks. They are not only functional but can also be a part of your design. Use stylish cookware and bakeware to add a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Don't forget the dishwasher. The racks and spray arms can be hidden gems of your kitchen design. Keep them clean and shiny, and consider adding a splash of color to your dishware. The range hood can be a statement piece in your kitchen. Opt for a modern design that complements your black slate appliances. It's both functional and stylish. Lastly, pay attention to the small details. The control knobs, digital displays, and lighting can all contribute to the overall look of your kitchen. Choose knobs that match the appliances and consider under-cabinet lighting for an elegant touch. And there you have it. By carefully selecting and arranging these components of your black slate appliances, you can transform your kitchen into a stylish and functional space that you'll love. Remember, it's all about balance, contrast, and attention to detail. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating.